Hello everyone, George Schlacek here.
The one and only.
Let me ask you something. How do you like cycling in extremely windy conditions? After I posted my last video where I can be seen cycling against a strong wind, my friend Danny commented on Facebook, "Hey, I really love cycling, but man, this Edmonton wind just takes away every desire for a ride. How do you deal with it?" The short answer is that I suffer. I don't particularly like strong wind and riding against it. It's noisy, it makes my bike harder to control, it makes me work harder, and to top it all off, it can make the ride uncomfortably cold. The ride featured in this video takes the exact same route as the previous one, only 10 days later, and as so often in the prairies, the wind was even stronger this time. How I deal with it will become apparent during the ride, and if you watch to the end, I will let you in on a little secret. Enjoy! Hello everyone. Today is April the 25th. It was about 10 days ago that I went on a bike ride to Sherwood Park. It was about 41 kilometers, and there was still snow on some trails. So today I decided, because it's 18 degrees here, I'm gonna go on that same ride and record how different this looks just 10 days later. You wanna come with me? You're welcome. The last time I was wearing this outfit, this very same I believe, it was in Cartagena, Colombia. It's pretty darn nice. Windy. It's windy. One thing, the roads suck. Too many potholes, and I think they're behind on patching them, but yeah, they need more than patching.
There's absolutely no ice left on the North Saskatchewan River. Isn't that nice?
I stopped here because 10 days ago I was literally stuck here because this trail right there, it's full of ice. The key to having a good bike ride in windy weather is to head out. Getting out there is the hardest part, but once you are, provided you're dressed for the conditions, you might actually enjoy the wind. They're ugly. Yeah, these signs, they're training cyclists to disobey the signage and the Traffic Act because nobody does. They make no sense. They are put up by motorists, for motorists who think they're appropriate for cyclists. so rough. Traffic is considerably more than the last time I was here. But now the wind is helping me. I got a tailwind, so this stretch of road is going to be like a dream. And so far, I can cross here. 5, 4, 3. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. See, I know it's not friendly for cyclists. We should have a better trail without so many bumps. Yeah. Oh, well, the light. The light's turning against me. No, I don't want a red light. See, the very best cycling experience is not when there's no wind at all, even though it may seem that way.
Riding in the wind can be a lot of fun, as long as you have a tailwind. Remember this place from my last video? It's still flooded. If you look carefully, you can see the Edmonton skyline way off in the distance.
Near me because of wind. Wind.
There was a huge lineup of cars and little trucks at the Edmonton Waste Management Center. I was actually surprised. The bridge you see off in the distance is the Anthony Henday Freeway, and that's where I have to cross the North Saskatchewan River.
That's where I'm going right now. The very best cycling experience is not when there's no wind at all, even though it may seem that way.
The last time I was at this particular spot, I was stuck. I had to push my bike through 6 inches of snow. Today it looked much better. What you see here is the North Saskatchewan River, and across from it there's the trail that I was on before, the gravel one. And there's the bridge that has a bike trail underneath it. It's the Anthony Henday. There, see the little bridge under it?
Alright, here I am back at the house. Did about 41.1 kilometers Same as the last time. You can see that even the same bicycle ride, like the exact same route, 10 days apart, makes a huge difference. Today the only thing that bugged me a little bit was the wind, but I'm still comfortable in a t-shirt and shorts and my Crocs. Very happy. Some of you may know that feeling. You are riding faster than you thought possible. The ride is going really well and you feel great. And you think there's no wind whatsoever. And only when you stop you realize that you have a really strong tailwind. When you're going out for a random bike ride, you can set yourself up to enjoy those conditions by putting the struggle part, the riding against the wind, at the beginning of your ride. Then you know that by the time it's time to turn back, you will have some tailwind. Now I know I have to put a disclaimer in here because the wind can shift at any time. But one thing I can guarantee, you will feel better once you're back from your bike ride. Almost guarantee. Cycling can greatly enhance your lifestyle any season, even when it's cold outside. For more on the subject, subscribe now and watch this next video on the screen for another extreme.